Are you ready to take control of your health and arm yourself against one of the most feared diseases of our time? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that could quite literally save your life. The top 3 anti-cancer foods you need to start eating right now. Hey there, viewers! Today we're tackling a subject that affects each and every one of us: cancer. It's a disease that knows no bounds, affecting millions worldwide. But here's the good news: we have more power than we think to protect ourselves. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in our body's defense against cancer. And in this video, we're going to unveil 3 potent weapons hiding in your pantry. 3 anti-cancer foods that could be your strongest allies in the fight against this formidable foe. So grab a seat, take notes, and get ready to revolutionize your diet for the better, because what you eat matters more than you might realize. Food number 1, cruciferous vegetables. Let's start with nature's powerful defenders, cruciferous vegetables. These include familiar favorites like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and disease-fighting compounds, these veggies are true nutritional powerhouses. What sets cruciferous vegetables apart in the battle against cancer is their impressive arsenal of phytochemicals, including sulforaphane. This mighty compound has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even trigger their self-destruction, a process known as apoptosis. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables boast high levels of antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and quercetin, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect our cells from damage. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables into your diet doesn't have to be bland or boring. Get creative in the kitchen by roasting broccoli with a sprinkle of garlic and lemon zest, tossing cauliflower florets in turmeric and cumin for a flavorful side dish, or massaging kale leaves with avocado and balsamic vinegar for a nutrient-packed salad. Blend cruciferous vegetables into smoothies, stir-fries, soups, or even sneak them into your favorite pasta sauce for an extra boost of health benefits. The options are endless, so don't be afraid to experiment and discover delicious ways to enjoy these cancer-fighting champions in every meal. Food number 2, berries. From the vibrant hues of blueberries to the juicy sweetness of strawberries and the tartness of raspberries, these tiny treasures are bursting with flavor and health benefits. Berries are not only delicious but also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and phytochemicals that make them formidable opponents against cancer cells. The potent antioxidants found in berries, such as anthocyanins and ellagic acid, help to neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, 2 key factors in cancer development. Incorporating berries into your diet is effortless and enjoyable. Snack on a handful of fresh berries for a satisfying midday pick-me-up, or add them to your morning yogurt or oatmeal for a burst of sweetness and nutrition. Blend them into smoothies for a refreshing treat, or incorporate them into salads for a vibrant burst of color and flavor. For dessert, try making a simple berry compote to drizzle over Greek yogurt, or enjoy them frozen as a guilt-free indulgence. With berries, the possibilities are endless, making it easy to reap their anti-cancer benefits every day. Food number 3, leafy greens. Let's not overlook the humble yet mighty leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and their leafy comrades are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall health and well-being. Leafy greens are particularly rich in folate, a B vitamin essential for DNA repair and synthesis, making them crucial in cancer prevention. Additionally, Their high fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, further reducing cancer risk. Carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin found in leafy greens have been linked to a decreased risk of certain cancers, including breast and lung cancer. Incorporating leafy greens into your daily meals is a simple yet effective way to boost your intake of essential nutrients. Start your day with a nutrient-packed green smoothie or add a handful of spinach to your morning scramble. Whip up a colorful salad with kale, mixed greens, and your favorite veggies for a satisfying lunch or dinner. Alternatively, saute leafy greens with garlic and olive oil as a flavorful side dish, or sneak them into soups, stews, and casseroles for an added nutritional punch. With their versatility and abundance of health benefits, leafy greens are a must-have in any cancer-fighting diet. So there, viewers, the journey to a cancer-preventive diet begins with simple yet powerful choices, and incorporating the top 3 anti-cancer foods we've discussed, cruciferous vegetables, berries, and leafy greens, into your daily meals can make a profound difference in your health and well-being. These foods are not only delicious and versatile, but also packed with nutrients and compounds that actively combat cancer cells and promote overall wellness. We hope this video has inspired you to take control of your health and prioritize nourishing your body with foods that support your well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips, nutrition advice, and delicious recipes. Together, let's empower ourselves to live our best, healthiest lives and reduce our risk of cancer through the power of food. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.